In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Edge black screen. If Edge opens to a blank or black window and won't respond, the issue is usually a stuck background process or a corrupted app component. The good news is we can resolve this quickly using built-in Windows tools, and your browsing data and settings should remain intact. First, make sure Microsoft Edge is fully closed. Don't just minimize it. If you see the Edge icon highlighted on your taskbar, right-click it and choose Close Window for each open instance. Give it a moment to disappear from the taskbar so we know no visible windows are left. This helps prevent conflicts when we stop background processes in the next step. Next, open Task Manager using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl, Shift, and ES key pressed together. This opens the system tool that shows what's running behind the scenes. If Task Manager opens in a simplified view, switch to the full view so you can see all processes. Look for anything labeled Microsoft Edge or MSEdge. You may see multiple entries. Select each Edge process and choose End Task. The goal is to clear every Edge-related process so nothing is stuck in memory. Take care not to end unrelated system tasks. Just focus on entries clearly marked as Edge. With Edge fully closed and all its processes ended, open the Windows Settings app. From there, go to the Apps section, then choose Installed Apps. This is where Windows manages app-specific options. Scroll through the list and find Microsoft Edge. Click Advanced Options for Edge to access its repair tools. This doesn't uninstall the browser. It provides maintenance actions supported by Windows. Click Repair and let Windows do the work. During repair, Windows checks Edge's installation files and replaces anything that's missing or corrupted. Your history, favorites, and saved settings are designed to remain untouched. Keep your computer connected to the internet, since Windows may need to download fresh components. The progress indicator may pause briefly at times. Just let it finish without closing the window. Depending on your system speed and network connection, this can take a few minutes. When the repair completes, you should notice that Edge launches normally without the black screen. This process addresses the most common causes: lingering background processes and damaged app files. If you run into the black screen again later, repeating these same steps often resolves it just as effectively. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get back to browsing without interruption.